While the Samsung Galaxy A10 is an entry-level device, you can still expect it to run smoothly. However, some owners have been complaining because their devices reportedly started running so slow. This problem is pretty annoying, but it's not necessarily that hard to fix. In fact, you may be able to make it run faster just by doing a couple of procedures. Hey guys, I'm RJ from thecellguide.com, and in this video, I will be showing you how to fix your Galaxy A10 that's running so slow. First solution, perform the forced restart on your device. Performance issues can always be attributed to the firmware, and so the first thing you have to do if your phone is running so slow, is the forced restart. It is a simulated battery removal that will refresh your phone's memory and reload its applications and services. To do it, press the volume down button and the power key at the same time, and then hold them together for 10 seconds or until the logo shows. The device will continue the usual boot process, and once it has finished rebooting, try to see if it's still running slow. Second solution, run the phone in safe mode and observe its performance. There are apps that may cause your phone to perform poorly or sluggish. If this is the case with your phone, then you don't have to worry so much because it's pretty easy to fix. But first, you have to see if it's really one or some of your downloaded apps that's causing this issue, by running your phone in safe mode. Press and hold the power key until options show. Tap and hold the power off option until it changes into safe mode. Tap the safe mode icon to restart your device. Once the reboot is successful, you should see safe mode at the lower left corner of the screen. If your phone is running fine while in safe mode, then there are apps that cause the problem. Here's what you should do next. Restart the device in standard mode. Pull the app drawer and go to the screen where the icon of the suspected app is located. Tap and hold on the icon of the app until options show. Tap uninstall, and touch OK to confirm you want to remove it. You may have to uninstall more than one app to make the phone run faster again. However, if your phone is running slow even in safe mode, or even after doing this procedure, then move on to the next solution. Third solution, factory reset your phone. A factory reset will be able to fix performance issues, no matter what the nature is. However, make sure to create a copy of your files and data before doing so, as they will be deleted. When ready, follow these steps to reset your phone. Swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap the settings icon. Find and tap General Management. Touch Reset. Tap Factory Data Reset. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and tap Reset. If prompted, enter your PIN, password, or pattern. Finally, tap Delete All. I hope that we've been able to help you fix your phone that's running slow through this post. Please subscribe to our channel and enable notifications so you can stay up to date with the Cell Guide. Thanks for watching.